If you only had $100, should you invest it in crypto or stocks? Let's break this down logically. First, let's talk about volatility and risk. Cryptocurrency is notorious for its wild swings. Bitcoin can jump or drop by 10% in a single day, and Ethereum can double in value or lose half its worth just as quickly. This volatility can be thrilling, but it's also a roller coaster ride that can leave you feeling queasy if you're not ready for it. On the flip side, stocks, particularly blue chip companies or ETFs, tend to move in a more predictable manner. A daily change of 1–2% is common, which means you can enjoy a bit more stability. If peace of mind is what you seek, the stock market might be your best bet. But if you're willing to embrace high-stakes risks for potentially high rewards, crypto could be your playground. Next, let's consider growth potential. Crypto has shown explosive growth, especially during bull runs. There have been instances where a mere $100 investment in Bitcoin has transformed into thousands. With advancements in AI, DeFi, and tokenized assets, many believe we're on the brink of a new crypto cycle. However, stocks offer a different kind of growth. They provide compounded wealth over time. Sectors like artificial intelligence, clean energy, and defense are projected to outperform this year. You might not see a tenfold increase in 6 months, but if you stay invested, you'll build real wealth steadily. So ask yourself, do you want long-term compounding, or are you chasing short-term surges? Now let's discuss control and diversification. How diversified can you be with that $100? With stocks, you can invest in fractional shares or low-cost ETFs, like the S&P 500, giving you exposure to hundreds of companies right off the bat. In crypto, unless you're using an ETF or index, you're likely putting your money into just 1 or 2 coins. This means you're heavily reliant on the performance of those specific projects. Stocks provide broader control with less effort, while crypto requires more research, timing, and risk management. Here's a smart strategy. Why not split that $100? Consider putting $70 into a diversified stock ETF like VTI or SPY, and allocate $30 into a strong, stable crypto like Ethereum or Bitcoin. This approach gives you the best of both worlds: steady, long-term growth with stocks, and a little moonshot potential with crypto. Use platforms like Robinhood, Public, or Coinbase to set up recurring buys or one-time investments. Remember, it's not about hitting a home run right away, it's about building your investing muscles and getting started now. So whether you lean towards stocks for steady growth or crypto for high-risk, high-reward potential, the key is to take action. Let that $100 be your learning experience. Where are you putting your money this week?